Ito na, Sir Mel.
Ay!
Ayan.
Anong tawag dyan?
It's called Chick Boy Platter. So, meron tayong okoy, the veggie okoy. So, yung kaibahan ng veggie okoy sa authentic way naman ng ibang veggie okoy, you make it as a tower. So, yung purpose natin dyan, makain ng kids.
Oh, di ba? So, do they
Ito,
love it?
putok-batok naman to. Yan, bagay yan sa gata. Ayan, meron tayong chicharong bulaklak.
May chicharong bulaklak.
Yes, of course, the Batangas pupud.
May chicharon. Is that chicken finger over there?
Chicken fingers and lechong kawali.
Being a Batanggenyo, they have so many specialties. Tama, may bulalo, andyan yung lomi,
Yes.
meron ding
Batangas pupud. Actually, lahat ng pagkain dito sa Tikmedine merong chicharon. Talagang pinopromote natin yung Batangas pupud.
putok-batok nga
Putok-batok.
ito, pero Kerry Bells. Ang harap. Pag masarap, todo mo na.